Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SillyDuck token. Now the SillyDuck token is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain and is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 25th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, SillyDuck is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and you can find their Twitter at SillyDuckSOL. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 25th at 9 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Duck, D-U-C-K, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find this token on solscan.io. It says one holder so far. So it looks like it says one holder, but I do see some RAYDIUM transactions as of basically like 1 minute ago. So it looks like only a few transactions so far. Well, no, there's a bunch, but for some reason it says one holder. Maybe it's just lagging or something like that. But this token is available on RAYDIUM, it looks like. So if you wanted to get this token prior to the MEXC Global listing, you can get it off RAYDIUM, which is a Solana decentralized exchange. So all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find RAYDIUM, and then trade your Sol for the SillyDuck token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, SillyDuck.meme. Now, you can also just click on Buy Now right on their page. They have a couple different spots, or just say Buy Now or Buy Duck, and that will take you where you need to go. They also have a deck screener chart on their page. You can check out, see how the token is doing. Now, you probably will not have to worry about slippage because it says 0% taxes on their page. You also might be able to get this token off of different Solana decentralized exchanges like Jupiter, maybe Orca. Now it says there's 8 decimal places on this token. There is a current market cap of $6,694,973. And it looks like the token started out with a total supply of 100 billion tokens, but right now it's at 99,999,601,583 tokens. So it looks like it is a deflationary token, maybe some burns or whatnot going on. Now their Twitter at SillyDuckSOL has a blue verified check mark. There is 101 tweets on there so far. Now they have the contract address right on the Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in this corner of the screen there. So it says, the most generous duck on Solana. Quack it to make it real. Now they also have a link to their Telegram on there you can follow, their webpage. They just joined in December 2023 and they already have 25,800 followers and 101 tweets. So very active on the socials here. And their newest tweet is basically the MEXC global one, so check that out. And showing off their deck screener chart, doing very well. So yeah, looks like it says 12 hours ago, Duck is almost at 8 million market cap. What a pump today. 10-minute market cap, or 10 mil market cap incoming. We will ride this one for quite some time, it says. So join our Discord. They have a Discord you can join as well. Their Telegram has 7,050 members on there. And yeah, besides that, it says SillyDuck redefines memes on Solana, turning chaos into art. It's a wacky evolution of Solana's wackiest moments, where chaos becomes a masterpiece. So everyone loves SillyDuck, beloved by all SillyDuck's endearing silliness, for sharing shine through its generous contributions. All its tokens are for the community and project development, encouraging everyone to hold onto their tokens for a journey of joy and strength. There's a little 32-second video of Duck doing some meme stuff, telling you to buy the dip and all that type of stuff. Now they have the Duck map, aka the road map, and it is kind of a joke here, and it says, say good morning to everyone on Twitter and get Duck trending, airdrop to the Solana ecosystem and listings, SillyDuck Army March, and then world recognition of SillyDuck. SillyDuck will airdrop 90% of Duck tokens to the Solana fam, spreading the memetic vibes across the Solana jungle. It's not just a token, it's a wild crypto fiesta. Now, they did start out with 100 billion tokens, it says. 90% of the tokens airdrop to the Sol ecosystem, and 10% goes to LP marketing and listings. It says, join the Duck Squad on Telegram and Twitter. They also have a Discord link on their Twitter. You'll find that in one of their most recent tweets. I don't see their Discord on their webpage, though, for some reason. It definitely looks like it needs some updates going on here. So it says, meet the SillyDuck, the crypto sensation, quacking up the internet with adorable antics. SillyDuck coin is not associated with Pokemon, even though it looks like Psyduck. It's not associated with Psyduck at all. It just pays homage to the meme. SillyDuck redefines Solana memes, turning chaos into an art of evolution with the wackiest moments. So go check it out, sillyduck.meme. Check out all their socials. And you can find this token newly listed as of January 25th on MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.